Alright, we're back. Oh, that's why. Alright. Pull out a gun. I can't pull out a gun. How am I supposed to beat him? I can't even pull out a gun. What am I doing? No! My bad. I'm dead. Welcome back, guys, to my Watch Dogs. And that is the intro to success. I can't pull out a gun for some reason. What the heck? I'm gonna try to run it. Even though I'm already running. Alright, let's go. No. Come on. Dodge! Oh, it's stuck in. Dodge. Oh, son. Failed.
Get with the fixers. Those guys aren't cheap.
He failed.
Default's in over his head.
Oh my god.
Okay, I've got him now. Just keep him in range and T-Bone will hack in.
Yeah, they always get a car. Always. God damn this game. It's pretty interesting right now. The action is started! Hype.
Default's got some kind of heavy-duty scrambler running. Don't be surprised if your shit starts working. Don't try
Can I
and take
catch
him out.
him?
We can't risk losing the data.
I'm losing him.
Lure him out. I'll track his signal.
Don't wait.
Alright,
Grab whatever
alright.
data you can when I get close enough.
Alright, that stopped my speed.
All right.
Which is good.
Stay close. Just like that. I can worm into his files and he won't even know. You're too
Ah. Oh, damn drifting skills.
It's coming in. Well, shit. You seen what's in this data?
I know some of it. What do you see?
It's everyone. City officials, union reps.
No!
I got phony contracts, payoffs. What in Christ? Sex logs. A lot of online blackmail.
Come on.
Wait a minute. We got CTOS here. You need to get closer.
No, you gotta be kidding me.
He's got some solid documents here. Looks like the CTOS execs use a network to rig their election.
Come on.
Get their boy Rushmore into office.
The corrupt Chicago mayor. That's a surprise.
You gotta be kidding
I can't
me.
even tell how they rigged it. No voter fraud.
It's like almost impossible.
Here. I don't know what I'm looking at.
Come on. What is he doing? I got you. Oh my god, you son of a gunner. How dare you use my hacks? Oh son, I got you now! Nope, you're not escaping me. How does that thing have like pretty good drift? Alright, my bad, sorry. Nope, you're not escaping me!
A lot of secrets here. Blackmail shit, it just keeps on coming. What exactly are we
No, I shouldn't have hit him.
A video. It's a woman. She's dead now, but something about that video was dangerous enough to attack me and my family.
Take him down, great. Yeah, in this car, right? Nope, you don't. Oh, you freaking guy. No, I'm not losing them. I'm gonna track him down. Right, I got the map on him. You guys wanna see where I'm going? It's on the map. Oh, son, MOG. No, it's not MOG. I gotta stop saying that. Hey, I'm doing pretty good for this. Oh, I missed. Hacker versus hacker. Oh, I missed again, bro. We gotta be ready. Be ready, be ready, be ready, be ready. Oh my god! Lift up, lift up. You gotta be kidding me, this guy. There we go. Screw you. Screw your butt.
We got it all.
As far as I can tell, at least whatever your nut job buddy might want.
And that smiling woman, any video footage that fits?
No, man.
I actually get
At
to
least
keep
not
this
that I
car.
could see. You sure it was on Iraq's server?
But he was trying to steal it from someone. So who?
No, no, no. Cancel the music! Oh my god. What are you doing, man? Oh, he was gonna stop me though, right there. This guy. It's a real problem. Hello. Ha!
That's how you want to know. I've never seen a contract with more zeros on it than yours. They want you bad, pal.
That's nothing new.
No. Trust me on this. This is something new. You've pissed in everybody's beer now. You need to leave Chicago while you can because the fixers will catch up to you. It's only a matter of time.
Thanks for the warning.
Yeah. You're gonna ignore it, but I thought I'd try.
Alright. Alright, shut up with the music. So brutal. Alright, what's my next mission? Gotta wait. No, it hasn't appeared on the map. There we go.
Hey, buddy.
No, not
I
yet.
got good news. I think I got a future as an audio wizard.
You cleaned up the audio, I said.
Have a listen.
Brandon Ulster, report to the office, Brandon Ulster.
Nikki's call came from the same place as that little public address.
Brent
Oh, son.
This is good. I'll run a search on his workplace.
Hey, that's not me controlling it right now. Lol.
There.
It's the game.
He's there. I know it.
Go get her back, brother.
It's at its falling action, bros. Nah, that's beautiful. I can't say that. But I'll try. Okay, so we're getting into the action. Oh yeah. Oh man. Oh man. Doot, doot. Doot, doot. Where am I going? Oh, what? I had a seizure. Lol. Lol, 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 lol. Seizures for life. Oh, damn, son. Dramatic. Nope, fail. Could you call the police? What about nose? Oh, son. You scared? You scared? Oh, son. Oh! Making awesome. Oh, man. No, that really did. Damn, I took a post down with my mic. Alright. Let's see how much time we got. We got 10 minutes. Damn, that hit my hole. Oh my! Ah, that should have broken my face off. But it didn't. It broke the bike instead. Whee! Oh my god. Again. Another one. Whee! I'm on fire! I killed myself. I trolled myself. It's been a while since I killed myself. Neil Mask. Is that what you see when you die? Most likely. Wait, where am I? Oh, I'm here. Come on, come on. Come on, son, I ain't got time for this. Felicia. It's me, suckers. Aren't you? Little brother from a virgin town. If you didn't know the reference. Oh, the dungeons goes. Psh, psh, Matrix right here. Alright, let's start it.
I found Nikki. Finally. Damien doesn't know.
Oh, this one. Yeah, now I remember this.
Carefully. He'll have her guarded. I hope she's ready to move.
This was a difficult situation for me. It took me a while to get this right.
Now watch yourself in there. Says here the joint's hired fixers for private security. They tend to shoot first and ask questions never.
Yeah, I'll hack in under the radar. They'll never know I was there.
Alright, let's see. Alright. Damn,
Nikki,
son.
it's me.
Aiden! Where are you? There's men everywhere. The guard here, he just... I don't know what happened.
Listen.
Oh, what the heck? Sorry, guys. Something just happened. Wait. Options. Display. No, not Windows. Apply, por favor. Muchas gracias. Alright,
Then I know.
Sorry.
I'm getting you out. I'm gonna stay on the phone.
I didn't mean it.
I'm gonna
Or I didn't even do it, to be
No!
honest.
They'll find me.
Nikki, there's a gun there. I want you to pick it up. Just in case.
She never used it.
Oh, God. This is crazy. Aiden, I don't know guns.
Lie.
I shot him.
We gotta move. Listen to my voice.
I think I killed him.
Nikki, listen to me.
You obviously
We're gonna
did.
move now.
Shot him in his
I'm
neck,
gonna guide you
bro.
every step.
His heart or neck. Alright, I gotta mark all of them.
He was still breathing. The guy I shot, I think he was still breathing. Should we maybe call 911?
I can't risk it. Come on.
I haven't shot a gun since hunting with Dad. That was just stupid
Whatever.
rabbits.
I'm about to kill him with this. She's not moving. God damn it. Oh, I know how.
What if I killed him? I think I killed that guy. I didn't mean to. It just went off.
Alright, I go here.
Go, quickly.
I'll try to mark everybody I see.
Did you see his face? He couldn't believe I shot him. He brought me blankets last night. We should go back. We could still save him.
Nikki, listen to my voice.
Come on.
Right now, we're gonna get you out.
Yeah. Okay.
Come on, come
Yeah.
on. Ah, I just messed up real low. Now I know what I need to do.
I don't understand how you can do this. This isn't a way to live. Is this what you do?
Amateur choir cell, Brett.
Aiden, that's not you.
Yeah, that's what she gets.
Is
47,800.
it?
Okay,
Okay,
move.
ready.
Alright, after that, I go here. Damn, son, this is real skill. I'm gonna put it there and then over here. No, right here.
Go, go. Stay low.
Okay, let's go.
Now, go.
Here goes.
Here. Is he gonna move or not? Alright, I gotta disable those guys. Ugh, this one though, it's annoying. Alright, switch back.
Move ahead.
All right.
Come on. And when he moves over there, I'll use this. Because then there's a chance he might get caught. She might get caught.
Move it.
Here I go.
No, this.
Just make a run for that car. Get in and drive. Don't look back.
Alright, she's leaving. Yes! In time! I wanted to disrupt his plans. He didn't die from that. Wow.
All right. You're in the clear. We need to get you and Jax out of town.
Jackson's okay? Oh God, he said you were dead. He said he'd kill me. Where's Jax?
Where's Jax?
He's safe with Yolanda. You're going
Yolanda.
there. I'll meet you. Get Jax.
Yeah, she
stay
betrays
low,
us
and
also.
no phones. Don't even let him use his tablet until this is over.
Whatever this is, Aiden, please. Please let it go. Hear me? Let it
Never. Let it go. Let it go. I ain't never letting go. Suckers. I'm escaping. I do what I want. I am what I want.
Relax, we're here.
Relax, we're here. Sucker, I went in the water. Ha! The car's underneath me. A lame ass. See ya later, my broski. I'm going to that side. Yeah, it's right there, the ladder. It's home sweet home.
Support team here.
Oh damn. They're close. Yeah, but they can't just spawn like that. It's unfair, bro. It's right there.
Wait, we got it.
Oh yes. Oh really, this one right here. It don't matter.
We need every available backup.
Oh, maybe it actually does.
Stay alert.
I don't want this. Oh really? I just killed a civilian. Oh, that's a big bogus on me.
Here to back you up.
Back him up. Back him up. Oh, please.
Where are you going? We were just getting started.
Good. It's on a rainy day. Oh man, there's no escape here.
Stop him. He's rabbiting.
Uh oh. Alright, thanks for the car. I wanna run this guy over. Die, sucker. Them visits. Alright, so let's go to a bridge. So I can move these guys. Sucker. Oh damn son, them action.
Shit! Go ahead, I'll catch up.
Oh, I feel so bad for those. At least I only injured one. I killed one, yes. I'm still going, keep going. Alright, let's start the ride.
Check carefully and stay alert. He has to be close. Look around.
Oh my god. Oh, let's see. Oh, the music. God damn it. No, why? No, no. Why did I jump up? Great, now I'm gonna find a way out of this. Why not?
Let's do another sweep.
Yeah, they found me.
He's bailed.
Go, 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 go. Come on, miss the shots. Ah! So close! Ugh. Oh yes, they haven't even seen me. Oh man, I'm so close. Come on. I can't climb that. Yes, I'm out. Yeah, boy. Alright, I guess that's it. See ya. Bye.